Okay, guys. So, yep, guys. So that was the tornado siren video. Actually, I think it was my 5th video. But yeah, this is gonna be the end. Oh, and one more thing, guys. I hate to tell you this, guys, but this is probably gonna be probably the last video of a siren video for the year. This is probably gonna be my last video that I'm gonna make for the year, because next week I'm gonna be going into school, and so I will not be able to make any more sirens for the year. So probably the next siren video I'll make will be probably next summer, like next year. But yeah, guys. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, guys, and thank you for watching. There's the siren right there, and thank you for watching, guys. See ya.